Hello everyone, and welcome to the first lesson of our Russian language series. Assalamu alaikum এবং আপনাদের সবাইকে স্বাগতম আমাদের এই নতুন কোর্সে। আজ থেকে আমরা শুরু করছি Russian language learning course from zero. একদম zero, no background needed. My name is Alo. Welcome to my YouTube channel Alo-Jalo. I will be your guide to learning one of the most powerful and beautiful languages in the world. Many people think Russian is impossible because the letters look like a secret code. But here is a secret. Russian and Bengali actually share common roots through the Indo-European language family. In this video, we will master the Cyrillic alphabet, learn why some letters are liars, and by the end, you will be speaking your first Russian sentences. Let's get started. আমি ধরে নিচ্ছি তুমি Russian alphabet জানো না, Russian word দেখলে কনফিউজ হও আর মনে করো Russian খুব difficult. Now, very basic question. What is Russian language? Russian language এর নিজের নাম আছে. Russian people say Ruski yazyk. Ruski yazyk. Don't try to read it now, just look at it. Russian is the main language of Russia. But not only Russia. Many countries use Russian as second language for communication. About 250 million people speak Russian. So, Russian is a global language. Fear-breaking. Most students tell me, "Sir, Russian looks scary." Let me explain in simple English. Your brain is afraid of unfamiliar things. Russian is not difficult. Russian is just unfamiliar. Today, we start making it familiar. Alphabet intro. Now, alphabet. Every language has alphabet. Bengali has alphabet. English has alphabet. Russian also has alphabet. 2. The concept of Cyrillic. The Russian alphabet is called Cyrillic. Cyrillic. It consists of 33 letters, 10 vowels, 21 consonants, and 2 signs that have no sound of their own. To make this easy for you, we aren't going to learn them in alphabetical order. Instead, we will learn them by logic groups. This is the fastest way to memorize them. Group 1. The identical twins. These letters look and sound exactly like what you know in English and Bengali. A sounds like A in father. Bangla A. Example, address, address. K sounds like K. Bangla K. Example, coffee, coffee. Ma sounds like M. Bangla Ma. Example, metro, metro. O sounds like O, but O. Example, opera, opera. The important note, in English, T is hard, T. In Russian, it is soft like Bengali T. Your tongue should touch your teeth. Example, tomat, tomato. Group 2. The false friends. Be very careful here. These letters look like English letters, but they make completely different sounds. ইংরেজিতে একরকম, কিন্তু রাশিয়ানে অন্যরকম. V looks like B, but it is V. Think of V for vodka. N looks like H, but it is N, na. Example, net, no. Looks like P, but it is a rolling like the Spanish or Bengali r. Sir looks like C, but it is always S, sir, never a k. Example, student, student. H looks like X, but it is a Bathi K, like Khang or Khulna. U looks like UI, but it is the sound U, oop. Example, universitet, university. Group 3. The new and unique characters. Now, let's look at the symbols that look like Greek letters or drawings. Don't let them scare you. B, this is the real B, bird. Example, bank, bank. G, this is G, always hard like gold, never soft like George. D, this looks like a little house. It is the sound D. Again, soft like Bengali D, not English D. P, looks like a goalpost. It is the sound P. Example, park, park. L, this is L. Example, lamp. F, looks like a circle with a line. It is the sound F. Example, football. A, this is A. Example, examen, exam. The ya and u vowels. Ya looks like a backwards R. This is yak. In Russian, the single letter means I, army. U looks like a 10 joined together. This is you, you. Reading practice. First words. আমি উচ্চারণ করছি আর আপনারা আমার সাথে সাথে বলুন। মামা, মামা, mother, মা। পাপা, পাপা, father, বাবা। ব্রাত, brother, ভাই। দা, yes, হ্যাঁ। net, no, না। restaurant, restaurant, restaurant. Essential greetings. Before you go, you must know how to say hello and goodbye. Formal hello, здравствуйте, здравствуйте. This is hard to say at first. Let's try it. здравствуйте. এটি বড়দের জন্য বা সম্মান দিয়ে কথা বলার জন্য। Informal hello, привет, привет. এটি বন্ধুদের জন্য। Thank you, spasiba, spasiba. Note the O at the end sounds like A because it is unstressed, so we say spasiba. Goodbye, do svidaniya, literal meaning until we meet again. Congratulations, you just finished your first Russian lesson. আজ আপনারা শুধু বর্ণমালা শিখেননি, আপনারা Russian অর্ডার ক্ষমতা অর্জন করেছেন. Today's challenge, look at the Russian word Russia. Based on what we'll done today, can you figure out how to pronounce it? Hint, remember the false friends group. Comment your answer below. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and share it with someone who wants to learn a new language. আগামী ক্লাসে আমরা শিখব কিভাবে নিজের পরিচয় দিতে হয় আর নতুন মানুষের সাথে কথা বলতে হয়। Do svidaniya. Goodbye.